does this head shaky thing. I'm not sure why, but he shakes his head back and forth really fast.
Look at my tummy. It's fat.
Let me see your tummy. Let me see it.
See it?
Yeah.
It's really fat.
Did you eat too much?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I ate too much jelly.
Too much jelly?
Yeah, I ate too much jelly.
Joshua, don't take your socks off.
I can't.
Stinker.
I got it full of jelly.
Oh.
So I'm fat. I can't come out of the door.
Joshua.
I'm on the chimney. I'm in the fireplace.
Hey, come here.
I'm in the fireplace.
Oh, are you Santa? You're in the fireplace?
I'm in the fireplace. Come out.
He never keeps those socks on.
Yep. Oh. Say, there's Santa Caleb.
There's Santa, Caleb.
There's Santa.
There's Santa.
Yep. Oh. He's coming to see you, Mommy. I'm coming to see you.
Have I been a good girl? Am I going to get some toys for Christmas?
Uh-huh. So you've been a good girl.
Oh, good.